Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy all the content that I make, hit that thumbs up when you arrive. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance who does that thumbs up. Okay, guys, you are in for a roller coaster ride today. I have never received this many boxes from my subscriptions all in one slew. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my best to film everything. And because everything, what I do is I unpack everything and I take pictures for Instagram, and then I start undoing all the packaging, because when I sit down here and I film directly to you guys. So pretty much like live. So what I wanted to do, and I was trying to figure out which box I'm going to post first, which one will be like, you know, to spread them out. Each box is better than the one before, and all of them are time sensitive. So I want to make sure that what I'm going to do is I'm going to film it. I'm going to upload as quickly as I can, everything over today and maybe possibly tomorrow, however the timeline works for me and for how YouTube uploads it. And then we'll take it from there. So you're going to be seeing a lot of videos in there, all, like I said, just based on unboxing them for Instagram. And if you're not following me there, I really hope that you do. My name there is True Wants with the number 2. So excited to have the opportunity to share everything with you. So as you know, on my channel, I get 2 paid base boxes, and I did receive in this group of boxes that I got, the 2 base boxes arrived together, no different than when my premiums did. But what's great about this is I think, based on my recollection, because like I took so many pictures, in the base boxes, there's only maybe 1 duplicate item, which is fantastic because I chose the exact same choice item, but just in a different color. So let's get started, and I'll show you what we got. So we're starting off with the first base box that I opened up today. So this is going to be the first base box. So this is for the month of May. They all come with the same super bloom with this beautiful, purple card. And if you're not familiar, all the information and pricing that I'm going to be sharing with you is on the back of the card. The variation and all that, I try to always leave it, if I have time, in the description box. 99% you'll see that in my description box. So let's start, and I put everything out on the table exactly how it is on the card so we can go through it one at a time. And let me just say, I also should update you guys, for the guys who watch. My premium, I didn't get in my second premium, my Trust Lucé, and so many of you wrote to me that you didn't get it either. And I'm so sorry for this, because like me, if you think you choose a choice item, you think it's guaranteed. But what I was told by a few of you in my comments is it's not a guarantee. They wrote back that they will put into the, into the realm that's what they want. You want 100% in your box, and they will do their best to put it in the box. But I didn't get it, and I was waiting for these boxes to come in before I started looking on the drop shop. But I filmed a little bit for you guys in reference to the mega drop shop, and I didn't even see the palette there. So hopefully in the future we'll be able to see it and have access to it, but it is what it is. All right, starting with the first item that is in here. And this is one that I was hoping to, because I saw sneak peeks about it and I really wanted to see it up close. It is from this brand called Skin Inc, and it comes in this container here. The packaging, and it's so cute, but when you open it up, it's even more beautiful in person than from what I saw other girls show. So this is, and I only watched 2. So this is what this item looks like here, and this is called the Serum Glow Filter. This is a $50 item on its own, and if you're not familiar, the base box is the starter box at Boxycharm. This is the one that if you're going to start with Boxycharm, and when you start with Boxycharm, you always have to start with the base box first. And the fact that there's a $50 item in a box that's under $30, it is amazing. So this one says, glow up with the world's first skincare makeup. This is a serum glow filter with blending beauty technology in one bottle. This is a clever concoction. It is formulated with rare gold hibiscus extract and Skin Inc's top 2 best-selling serums, which is niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, to give you a selfie filter in real life. It's the perfect for day use and is personalization to your skin tone using light reflective technology that enables external light to bounce off your skin, creating that glow, the pearlized finish and reduced appearance of pores and red skin tone. This sounds like it does a lot. So there's a little plastic cover over it that you simply just take off. That helps it from not getting pushed down, so that's always a good safety feature. I did press it a couple times to get the priming going, but you do have to press it a few times and then you can get the item out. It looks very clear and you can kind of see, I'm going to try to go as close up to the camera as possible. You can see a little bit of the spheres that are inside of here in the what's on my hand. So really excited about that. And I had something like this in the past years ago that it came in 2 different cylinders, and when you put them together they migrated together. So I've never seen a product that has both the niacinamide and the hyaluronic acid and in with all these little spheres. It's just really exciting. So it's a beautiful, beautiful product. It's one that I'm excited to have the opportunity to use, and we'll see the results that we get from it. But niacinamide and hyaluronic acid are the top products for skincare to me that really make a difference. So excited about that. The next item was on my list that if I didn't get it in my boxes, I was going to add it to, because now I have that $12 coupon and I have it for 2 of my accounts. Something was a duplicate or something that they gave it into one of my boxes because, like, you know, I have 2 accounts for the 2 bases and 2 premiums. So I got a $12 coupon on one and a $12 in another. And because this is the mega drop shop, I have to spend at least $25 plus that $12 to be able, so I had to spend $37 to get the $25 for the no ship. So the months that it's not a mega drop shop, it's not a problem. You get $12, you could spend $12. But when it's mega drop shop and you don't want to pay for the shipping, it is. So this is one of the items that I had on my list to help me get to that number. So now I'm going to have to go shopping and see what else I can choose. This is the Glow Oasis MilkDew pH Balanced Moisturizing Milk Toner. This is a $34 product on its own, and it says, give thirsty skin a drink of MilkDew. This is a toner that meets moisturizer featuring a blend of apricot kernel oil, soybean extract, and cica extract to deeply hydrate and condition and soothe the skin. It's the perfect energy boost that is needed to revitalize dull, dehydrated skin. With the pH balance formula, this vegan toner improves the skin's need to revitalize this pH balance formula, this vegan toner improves the skin's texture and tone. It also helps to remove any last traces of dirt or excess oil that can cause breakouts or irritation. That's all good as well. And like I said, this is a $34 value. This is the external box, and this is what was inside. This feels like a full glass bottle. This I would have been happy if it ended up being one of my choice items. It has one of those special stoppers on the side that you pull out, that usually that type allows this to come out in just little drabs. So we're going to see if we can do that. Yeah. So you're able to control the amount that you get out. And I always share with you that when you have a liquidy formula like this, I always suggest not to use cotton rounds or any of those microfiber pads as well. I always say, my suggestion, and this is how I use it, is when it's this much of a liquid, I like to always put it on my hands and then press it into my skin. And whatever is left over, I put on the outside of my hands. So there is a very light scent to this, but it could be from creams that I had previously on, but I think it's a very, very light scent if there is one. And with the other product, I think there is no scent at all. The next item in here was my choice item. And this is the one that I should have brought it out here. I originally bought it through Ipsy's add-on sale. And I could not wait to try this product. And I really, really enjoyed it. So when this became a choice item and the other item that was a choice was not screaming at me, buy me, buy me, I decided to get it in 2 different shades. So the shade that I chose for this box was L200. So this is going to be the darker one. And this one is called the Air Hug Concealer. Again, this is the Item Beauty brand by Addison Ray. And it says, when you need to course correct, this is a medium to full coverage concealer. It is the way to go. It is a lightweight formula that features carica papaya fruit extract that will deliver a boost of yummy antioxidants like vitamin C. And it also will lend a smooth, seamless finish. It is a pillowy texture that will glide on effortlessly and melt into your skin without a crease in sight. And that is an $18 value on its own. like I said, I already got it and I still chose it as my choice item. I was really impressed with it. It has one of those larger doe foot applicators, and I figured I would get one in a darker tone, which to me would be more of a medium or a light medium. I'll have to look at my notes because with that, I should show you up close. That is the doe foot applicator there. And you literally need one and you can place it everywhere. But with the darker tones, I bought it so that if I have blemishes or things like that, or it's easier for me which I haven't been in a long time, like out and about, that what I end up doing is taking a concealer with me in my purse as opposed to foundation and powders and stuff like that. So when I'm eating, if my lipstick gets on my chin or anything like that, or I need a quick little touch me up around my nose, if I was, blowing my nose a lot during the day, this is what I do. I take a little bit of the concealer on the back of my hand and then I press it into those areas that just need, if any little bit of redness comes through. So that's what I figured I would do with this darker shade. That would be more a match as a foundation as opposed to a concealer, because to me, concealer should be acting as a brightener. So you want it to brighten up areas of your face. So that's what this one is here. The next one in here, when we did the sneak peeks and I was able to find all the spoilers of all the items that were going to be in our boxes. If you were going to get this product, everyone's getting the same color, and it is called Bubbly. And this is from this brand. It came in a full retail box. This is the item that's inside. This is the Creamy Liquid Velvet Lipstick. They're saying, unlike any other lip color that you've ever seen, this liquid velvet lipstick is the product you need to add to your makeup kit. It is formulated to be creamy, lightweight, and long wearing, making a unique statement with a fashion forward vibe. And they're saying this is a $22 value on its own. And let's see what the color looks like and the applicator. So it's a tiny applicator, but it does have that tilt to it, which always makes it a lot easier to place product. So let's just see what this looks like. I'm going to try to fan it out so we could see if we put it on our whole lip, what it would look like. So that is just a dab of the color, the first one, and then if you're putting it over your whole lip. It feels creamy to the texture. We'll have to test this out and see, if it's the type that tightens up your lips, if it also isn't transfer proof and things like that, but that is the color there. So this is a product that actually was a new brand to me, and I put it in my add-ons for their blush, and it's sitting in my area for me to try, but so many boxes are coming early that I haven't had a chance really to play with a lot of products yet. And then the last item in here was one that a lot of you wrote that if you get this, you're going to be disappointed, but it's from YENSA. It came in this beautiful reflective box. It is a sponge, and this is a very unique sponge. It has the, both sides are carved out. So I'll try to do it like that. So this is really great for the girls that, you put too much on, or your blush goes too far, or your bronzer goes too far. This helps you clean up those areas. This is also great for right under the eyes. And then the pointed tip is always great also for getting into the crevices that this was not, able to get there. And then you still have the rounded part, which is like all the blenders. This feels very tough to the touch. But I did see one other girl get this, and she put it under water and it really blew up. So usually when it blows up like that, it will get to be a lot softer. So for me, to the touch right now, this is a little bit of a firmer feel but like I said, I'll only know once I put water on this and actually play with it. But it feels velvety, it feels nice, and this is an $18 value on its own. And when you get these type of sponges that are in that $18, $20 range, like the Beauty Blender, usually there's a very unique fiber that they use, the actual material that they use for their sponges. So excited to give this a try. And that is everything that I got in my box. So really excited, like I said, for the Skin & Co. These both were on my wants list. So this is exciting that I got both of them in here. This is this Glow Oasis, I think it's called. Yeah, and they're saying it is a moisture milk toner. Such a unique product, I wanted to try it. Then I got my pick, which was the Item Beauty Concealer, the liquid lip from this brand that is going to be new to me called V Cosmetics with a K. And then of course the Beauty Blender that we ended everything off. And that's it for this one. So stay tuned to my channel. If you're not subscribed, I really hope that you do. We share a lot of unboxings here. I give you a lot of tips and tricks, and I give a lot of spoilers because those are the things that I'm interested in, and that's what I wasn't finding on the channel. And I decided to start the channel just over a couple of years ago, and you guys are enjoying it too. So come along for the ride. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell. And like I said, for everyone who is already joining me, you are in for a lot of videos that are going to be popping up over today and tomorrow. If I can get them all up today, I will, but it is what it is. So take care, everybody. Stay well, and I'll see you all soon again in my next video. Bye for now.